The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is finally here in the spotlight, and Samsung has confirmed some truly powerful upgrades. This futuristic flagship promises to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. The Galaxy S26 series will reportedly include three models: the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and the flagship S26 Ultra. All three devices are expected to feature improved AMOLED displays with higher peak brightness, faster refresh rates, and sleek new designs. Under the hood, the S26 and S26 Plus may come with the new 2nm XOS 2600 chipset, while the Galaxy S26 Ultra will reportedly feature the ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Battery life is also getting a boost: 4,300 mAh for the S26, 4,900 mAh for the S26 Plus, and a massive 5,200 mAh for the Ultra with 60W fast charging. The cameras are where the S26 Ultra really shines. Samsung is said to include a new 200 megapixels main sensor, accompanied by triple 50 megapixels cameras, delivering unmatched photography performance. The S26 and S26 Plus are expected to sport a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultrawide lens, and a 12 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. All signs point to a February 25, 2026 launch at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in San Francisco. Rumored pricing suggests $916 for the S26, $1,100 for the S26 Plus, and $1,500 for the S26 Ultra in the US. With these upgrades, Samsung is clearly pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Share your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited for the S26 Ultra?